Hi guys, another delivery from shopee.ph. These are small items. So let's open it for the first time. I'll just put the items on the comment section maybe. Oops. Okay. This is a wallet. It's a pink wallet. I guess it's from China, but I'm going to give this as a gift for a friend who loves pink wallet. Now, oh, I love this one. This is a hinges. This is a very good hinges. It's a nice hinges. It's an antique type of hinge. I'm going to use this for my bike. Oh, see? It's nice. Okay. That's nice. And then, other thing. This is a very small ocarina, but anyway, it's cute. It's rather cute. Oh, nice. Very nice. It's only 80 pesos, but I find it very nice. So, let's see if it is functional or not. But it's so cute. Anyway, let's see the other one. Ooh, yes. I love this one. This is a helmet for my cute plush penis toy. This is his helmet, and I love it. I also love the color. It matches my bike. Oh my God, there's an extra plush penis for this. My gosh, I love this. It's only 100 pesos with the plush penis and the kitchen. So, let's open this one and let's see how it sounds. Destroy. Oh, it's a very small ocarina. See? Compare. It's a very small ocarina, but is it functional or not? Let's see. 6-hole! My God, it's even a 6-hole ocarina. Oh! That sounds rather strong. This is nice. Very nice. I love it. Nice buy. And this is from the story is toplanswatchstore.ph from shopee.ph. There are stores inside Shopee, and this one is a great buy. I love it. It's 80 pesos. Look, the ocarina is only 80 pesos, but it sounds nice. I did not expect that. It sounds nice. It really is. Thank you.